The Garrett Vortex is supported by periodic free software updates. Vortex is also the world's first fully transformable detector series, meaning that customers purchasing the entry-level VX5 detector can purchase an upgrade code to transform their detector into a more powerful Vortex model with additional features. How to update your Vortex. To update a Garrett detector, you will need a PC running with Windows 7 or newer operating system or Mac OS 10.13 and higher. You will need to be connected to the internet to perform your install. Visit garrett.com/store. You will need a Garrett account to complete any updates or upgrades desired for your detector. To create a new account, simply click on Login/Register. Once you have a Garrett account, you are now ready to update or upgrade your Vortex detector. In the menu, Updates and Upgrades, download the Garrett Update Installer application. Locate and install the Garrett Installer.exe for PC. Or, for Mac users, locate and install the Garrett Installer.dmg onto your computer. Next, run the Garrett Installer application. Log in to your account. Now connect your Vortex using the USB-C connection cable normally used to recharge your metal detector. Power on your device and verify that the battery has at least 2 bars worth of charge. Leave your Vortex powered on and plug the USB cable into your computer. Click the Launch Scan button. If your detector is not yet registered with Garrett, please take a moment to do so. When your device is detected, click on View Device Details. If a free firmware update is available, click the Update to Latest button. Confirm your Vortex is charged. The update process should take less than 5 minutes. Once your install has successfully completed, a success notification will appear. You can then disconnect the USB cable and enjoy the update benefits. For customers who wish to upgrade their Vortex detector, the process is similar, but an upgrade or a feature must be purchased. Your installer will indicate what options are available for your detector, such as upgrading a VX5 to a VX7, upgrading a VX7 to a VX9, or even upgrading a VX5 directly to a VX9 model. For customers in the United States, the upgrade can be purchased directly from the Garrett store in the Updates and Upgrades area. For international customers, please click on the banner, Need a Code. This will help you to find a Garrett dealer to obtain your redemption code that will allow you to redeem your upgrade. To install your upgrade, start the Garrett installer. Connect your Vortex to your computer and launch the scan to detect your device. Click on View Device Details. Find the upgrade you've purchased and click on Install. Confirm your Vortex is charged. The upgrade process should take less than 5 minutes. Once your install has successfully completed, a success notification will appear. You can then disconnect the USB cable and enjoy the upgrade benefits. Discover all our updates and upgrades on garrett.com/store/updates upgrades.